Hi guys, I hope you're all having a great weekend. I'm going to bring you a bit of a different thing today. My most requested video is probably a complete collection video, which as you can imagine is fairly extensive, so I might have to cut this into 2 or 3 parts. I'll kick off with the first one. I've kind of tried to split them into categories as well, so I'll bring up the first one, which is Cherries on Snow. As you know, this is one of my favourite scents. Well, it is actually my favourite Yankee Candle, and I have, oh, I can grab them, medium, which is a 2012 pour, another 2012 pour, and this is the one that I kind of work on. As you can see, there's probably about 5 burns out of that, but there's not much gone. The scent is just super strong on this one. You can see 2012 there. This one's a 2016, which smells exactly the same. I just haven't got through to burning any of that yet. Pop these down. Next up is Cozy by the Fire. This again is one of my favourite candles for kind of Christmas time, autumn time. I've got this also, if I can find it, in a medium jar, which I have started burning. There's been a few issues with that, as you can see. There's a little bit of a lip going on. Still quite a lot of way to go though to start reviewing those. Next up, I've got Candy Cane Lane. Again, another favourite for sort of Christmas time. It's a nice cool minty smell. Again, I have started burning this. You can see there's a bit of a lip going on, but if I remember rightly, I think I had to blow this out quite early because I think I was going out. I also have Bundle Up. Again, another favourite. You'll see a theme here. I do like the Christmas scents. I also have this in 2 medium jars, which I picked up just recently for a bargain price of £5.70 on those. One of them I think I have started burning. Or maybe not, maybe I haven't. I thought I had started burning them, maybe not. I think I've done the melts in those rather than burn them. Sorry about all the noise you can hear banging about and things. I've got a couple of tubes of the Christmas melt tarts. I think I've got 2. I think I have 3 of these, but I think one's upstairs somewhere. This one I actually have started using. As you can see, I got it for £7.99, and in this you've got Season of Peace, Angel Wings, Christmas Cookie, Spice Orange, Christmas Eve, Candy Cane Lane, Cranberry Ice, Black Cherry, Snowflake Cookie, Wild Fig, Icicles and Christmas Garland. I really need to start working through these because they are beginning to get quite old. I've got a medium jar in Season of Peace, and you can see I had a good go at this at Christmas time. Really love this scent. It's really cool and crisp. Definitely one of my favourites. So if I've got any more Christmas ones around my feet, I'm sure I have. I'm sure I've got some baby ones somewhere. I have. Here they are. I've got a small baby jar in Christmas Eve, which I burnt on Christmas Eve, strangely. Not sure what pour date that is because it's got the weird label over it. I've got a small Snow in Love, which again I have burnt slightly. And I've also got a medium jar in Snow in Love as well. Right, where should we start? I'm just got on my feet, it's just absolutely covered. On to some of the other ones now. I've got 2 of the Mountain Lodges. The other one is here. Neither of them have started burning yet. I've just never really got round to it, but I think it's more of an autumn type scent anyway. I've got Gingerbread Maple, which is not my favourite, but I must admit that it has grown on me. The more I've actually burnt it, the more it's grown on me, but it's super strong is this one. If you like a bakery scent that's super strong with a bit of spice in that, it's definitely the candle for you. Oops, see where we start dropping everything. Oh, I'm glad I didn't break this. One's my favourites. I have a medium in Beach Holiday, which I use sparingly because it's really lovely. I love this scent. Again, it's super strong. It certainly fills up the downstairs for my house when this is burning, and it's actually an American edition, bought from Boundary Mill. I've got Pink Carnation, which I bought at the same time as the Mountain Lodge. I've not started using this one yet either. I've got Sea Harbour. Really like this, nice and fresh. Again, I've not started burning this one either. I've got Strawberry Buttercream, which as you can see I have done actually quite a few burns on that. It's not gone down very much. This one I got at a super cheap price. Again, I think it was around £5, something like that. Really nice and fresh, fruity. I've got baby powder. Again, this is a really strong candle. I kind of use this sparingly because it just kind of blow me out a little bit. I get a bit tired of the fragrance, but it is very nice. It's exactly like talcum powder, baby talcum powder. Ginger Dusk. Not started this one either. Do like the scent. It does seem like it's going to be quite a strong candle. Sweet Apple. This one I really love. Such a sweet, juicy, fresh smell, exactly like it would be if you were biting into a Red Delicious. I've used quite a bit of this, even though it doesn't really look like I have. I've burnt this probably 4 or 5 times. One of my favourites. I've got Riviera Escape, which I wasn't fond of to begin with. I didn't really like the scent, but again, the more I've burnt it, the more it's grown on me. You can see I've burnt quite a bit of it there. Really pretty label on that one as well. What else? Let's have a look. Some of these melts, I think that's one that's not open, this one is opened. It's the Riviera Escape set, so you've got 2 of each. You've got Summer Peach, Sea Salt and Sage, Olive and Thyme, Orange Splash, Riviera Escape and Turquoise Sky, and I've actually got 3 tubes of those because I got those cheap. A bit of a random one here. A Better Home and Gardens Warm Autumn Sweater. This is really strange smell, really strange smell. It's a bit off-putting really. Not unpleasant, it's just a strange smell to me. Now I got this one when I was in Ireland. I went to go see Stereophonics last year and I picked this up because I had some euros left over that I wanted to get rid of. So I can't see myself ever burning this one because the scent is strange, but it's in my collection anyway. I've got quite a few of these. Picked these up at like, I think they were like 25p each or something from Tesco last year. I've got about 7 or 8 of these. Glade candles, it is what I was on the tin. It's just like a nice appley cinnamon type scent, nothing really to write home about. I've got this Aroma Natural candle, which I've not started burning and I really love the scent. It's like a summer mandarin, but it's super fruity, super fresh. Really like this, and I'm a bit hesitant to burn it because I'm not sure I'll be able to get another one. I think I'm going to end this one here, guys. It's at 7 minutes and it'll take me a while to upload that to YouTube, so stay tuned for part 2.